Welcome to the Windows channel, and just wanted to talk about something that happens, and I got a few people that talked about it and sent me that, well, I use VLC or I use a, Pod Player. My favorite player is DOM Pod Player, this one here. And you get from time to time in the Fall Creators update a message that says, oh, well, an app default has been reset. And it is annoying, and so a lot of you have been telling me, well, is there a way to fix this? The problem is, what, I'm split between Microsoft wanting us to use their own apps and kind of not really fixing that issue because it just puts the default apps back. There is video playback in Windows 10. The Movies and TV app is an app that it's supposed to play your videos. It's supposed to play whatever you want it to play. And it works up to a certain point. It's okay. It does play videos, and it does play quite a lot of formats too. So it's okay. And look, it's acquired, media server capabilities. It acquired, playing from removable storage like USB thumb drives or hard drives. You can go to your video folders to see what videos are in there. But still, I can't, I don't really like the way it is, and I prefer having, some of you use VLC. I prefer using Pod Player. Problem is, I get almost every day on my Fall Creators update machine, oh, well, an app has been reset, and it's the player here that basically has been reset. And basically it's kind of interesting to see that it resets all the time, and it's kind of annoying. And to mention, because some people are saying, is that a Fall Creators update problem, or no, it's actually a Windows 10 general problem. It did that, and I remember having that issue happen on the first version of Windows 10 in 2015. And it's still not fixed, and it feels like something that Microsoft doesn't want to fix because it kind of resets back to their own default, players. And it does this with VLC, with DOM Pod Player, so it seems to really a problem occurred. We want to reset to that app or that app. It is very annoying, and I wish Microsoft does that. And to show you that it really is every version, this is Redstone 4. I'm on this build 17074, which is what's coming up in March. And even in this build, DOM Pod Player, or any player that I use that is a third-party player, always from time to time says, oh, an error occurred, got to reset the apps. And it does drive me crazy a little bit. If you enjoy my videos, and so if you have that problem, by the way, hang in there. I've sent a feedback hub, feedback on that. Hopefully they'll, and it's got upvoted, so hopefully somebody's gonna listen to it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for following us on this channel.